Hi guys, my name is Daria. I'm so lovely to see you in my channel. Thankfully, I decided to film about this. In today's video, we'll be creating two types of mood boards. It's not the first time I'm filming about mood boards. I had a first part, but today it's a new one. One is a conceptual mood board, which captures the general feeling, colors, textures, and style direction. And the second is a practical mood board, which includes specific furniture, materials, and decorations. Depending on your goal, we can use either or both. Before we start, let me explain you in a nutshell what does mood board mean. A mood board is a visual tool where you gather and organize all your inspiration for design. It helps you clearly see your ideas, define your vision, and bring your concept to life all in one place. So let's do a step-by-step guide on how to create a mood board for interior design. We will use two different apps. The first app will be Note. It's an useful app where you can write down notes, create mood boards, and whatever you want. And the first step that you have to do is to define your style. Start by choosing the overall style you want to explore. Is it modern, minimalistic, rustic, Scandinavian, or mix? You can search either on Pinterest or Behance, or whatever site or app you can search images there. Next step is search for cool visual inspiration. Now look for key images on how you imagine the space. Photos of room or layouts that matches your vision. This form the base of your mood board. As you can see, we created a new board. Where you can create is where you see home, and there will be board. You have to drag it, and there you will create a board. You click it twice, and then you can choose a template. So we will write mid-century style. You can add 2-3 images for visualization, or you can just choose one. As you can see, we have there add image. You uploaded image from your file. I chose the living room. You can choose any space you want. It could be living room, bathroom, and so on. It could be all together. It doesn't matter. It's a mood board. It's your visualization. Just drag it, and we can see that it's uploaded. This angle that I'm showing you can make a size. It could be big, it could be small, whatever you want. So when we found our key images, the first step is to choose your furniture. Add pieces that would realistically fit into your space and match your style. Think about materials like wood, metal, or fabric, shapes. This is what I'm thinking about, but it doesn't mean that when it will be in real life, it will be exactly the same. No, you're just putting your ideas, what you would love to have, or it can always change. I will put a lamp to have in your style. When we included furniture, the fourth step is to add materials, textures, and add atmosphere. This means that you can already add rugs, curtains, and natural elements like wood grain and stone, and atmospheric visuals like nature scenes. If you need to rotate your image, click twice. On the left side there will be a panel edit image, and voila, you rotate left, and that's all. The last step is to pick your color palette. Select a set of colors that ties everything together. Your palette should reflect the mood of your interior. It doesn't have to be exactly as in your image. It could be totally different. I will drag it, And you can see this is a huge picture. I don't need that much. I only need these main colors that I want in my interior. So what I'm doing is clicking twice on my image and just crop it. Crop it as how much I want. I added a bit of details. I wrote down what exactly means, how to do it. As you can see, there is a line which you can drag it and show it like this. And after that, when you want to write a note, you can see a note on the top and you just drag it. If you want to be your background as the background, you just type here and we wrote down color palette, and that's it. So it's a great app to use. As you can see, we included all the steps and you can see how it's perfect. Let's go on our second type. So we have to open our Pinterest. When we open our Pinterest, we see a plus in the middle. When we click it, we see collage. When we click on collage, we have created a paper. When we click just once on this paper, we can choose whatever color of our background we want. So it's actually pretty good. This one is totally different from the first mood board because in here we'll be creating a space using photos. Pinterest allows us to search for images and then to cut the background. I will choose a different style which is called Pacific Northwestern. If you don't know what Pacific Northwestern style means, this is the meaning of it and what kind of key features it includes. We will be creating a bedroom. So let's search for bedroom. Click on plus and search for bed. Plus minus in this style, in this Pacific Northwestern style, I chose the wooden bed because this style includes wood a lot. And to find a wall, click on plus, wall, I want to choose white wall. And there are lots of options, even just a room. You can do as you want. You can start with decorations, or you can start with tiles or flooring. I found this perfect. I forgot how it's called, but it's here. After that, I decided on flooring, and it would be wooden flooring because, as I mentioned before, lots of wooden is included. I decided on adding already textures as a rug. We have to add some lightning, and after that, we have to add something to put our telephone, books, and so on. I also forgot the name of it. And yeah, you can add more and more, but this is the final result. I decided to make it super quick to show you how it works. And eventually, at the end, we made a space, which, as I told you before, is completely different from first mood board. So as I told you, the one is conceptual mood board and the other one is practical mood board. You see the difference? I just put you down how they look, and I hope you understood how its plus minus works. I will write the timing down below the video of each step that I was talking about, so it will be easier for you to go back, click on what timing you want. I hope you have a great, peaceful day. Stay in peace and see you next one. Bye. Bye.